Okay, I am going to cook something for you today, and it is also for my English speaking readers and visitors of my blog. It's a typical Swiss dish which traditionally is made today, because today is the Jeûne. Here in this part of Switzerland, in the western part of Switzerland, le jeûne is something like the Thanksgiving in the Swiss way. Okay, so today we are going to cook le papé vaudois. For this you need the poro, which is I don't know what it is in English. The man behind the camera maybe knows. It is leek. Okay, we need for 4 persons. We need 1 kilogram of leek. Then we need half of this weight in potatoes. Which means 500 grams, but I personally put always a little bit more. It's a preference, but I like it a little bit better with more potatoes. And then we need the saucisse de chou, which is a cabbage sausage. Of course, if you are in London or New York or Houston, you will not get it there, so forget about it. But then next time when you are coming to Switzerland, you can try it here. We need also a little bit of wine, white wine. We need some oil, and we need a little bit of crème fraîche. And I think that's all we need. So we are going to prepare now this. We are starting with the leek, of course. So we have to cut the leek in little slices like that. So I have already washed and prepared the leek before, so we can go ahead, which is of course now a little bit procedure which will take some time. So in the meantime, maybe I can tell you something about the region where we are cooking this dish. We are in the Canton de Vaud, as I said, which is in the western part of Switzerland, just near Geneva, and it is traditionally a canton which is there is a lot of agriculture, therefore we have a lot of vegetables, and also the farmers are keeping lots of porks, and therefore of course for the meat, all what is coming from the pork is used in the traditional cuisine. So if I said before that it is a typical Swiss dish, it is not that true. It is a dish of this part of Switzerland, of the Canton de Vaud. So here we have already 500 grams of this leek which is cut, and we are finding our way through the rest of the leek. After that, we will have to put the leek in the pan. Maybe I can already eat a little bit of that oil which we have prepared here. So it will be ready then when the leek is cut. So the saucisse au chou is it's very funny. Huh? It is half meat, pork meat, and half cabbage, as I said before. But it is very tasty. There are a lot of spices in it, and it tastes very good. Approaching the end of the leek. And when it is finished, we hope that the oil is already hot and we can go into the oil with it. Here we are. There was not even an accident, that was very good, and some of the leek is even on the floor, but never mind. So we are looking how the that, because I think it's not very nice for the camera, the noise of this here, but the oil is not really hot as it should be now. So we are waiting a little bit, stirring it up, just making the test with the water. Yes, it is hot enough now. Okay. So we have to stir it up so that everything is a little bit cooked. And when it is ready, we will just pour a little bit of water on it. And then the leek can cook by itself, and we are going to prepare the potatoes in the meantime. But here it is not yet ready. It smells already from the leek. Here to the left, I've already prepared the water for the sausage cheese, because they will have to go into the water for about 1 hour. Okay, I think this is enough now, and we are going to add the water. And we let it cook. So now we are going to put the potatoes. which will be added to the leek in little slices, and then it has to cook for about 45 minutes or so. Just I am aware now that it is not very easy to cook and to speak at the same time, and always to have something ready in your mouth to tell about what you are doing. So maybe we can, because it is not very interesting, everybody knows how to skin these potatoes, maybe we can make a little cut of the camera